Welcome back to our channel, Space Enthusiasts. Today, we have a one-of-a-kind treat for you. Get ready to be amazed and maybe a little scared as we count down the top 10 space facts that will scare you. So buckle up and prepare for a mind-blowing journey through the cosmos. Let's get started. Number 10. The vacuum of space. Did you know that space is a vacuum? That means it's completely empty, devoid of air, and sound cannot travel through it. Imagine floating in the vastness of space, unable to hear anything, not even your own voice. It's a chilling thought, isn't it? Space is often depicted as a silent and serene place, but the reality is quite different. In the vacuum of space, there is no air to carry sound waves, so even if you were to scream at the top of your lungs, no one would hear you. The absence of sound can be incredibly isolating and eerie. It's a reminder of just how vast and inhospitable space can be. Number 9. Solar flares. Solar flares are strong bursts of radiation from the sun's surface. While they are a natural occurrence, a massive solar flare could disrupt our power grids, satellite communications, and even cause widespread blackouts. Just imagine being plunged into darkness, cut off from the world, all because of a solar storm. The sun is a dynamic and active star, and it occasionally releases bursts of energy in the form of solar flares. These flares are caused by the sudden release of magnetic energy stored in the sun's atmosphere. When a solar flare erupts, it can send a jet of charged particles rushing towards Earth, known as a coronal mass ejection, CME. If a powerful solar flare were to hit our planet, it could have serious consequences for our technological infrastructure. Number 8. Asteroid collisions. Asteroids are remnants from the early solar system, and some of them pose a threat to our planet. In fact, Earth has been hit by asteroids before, causing mass extinctions. The thought of a massive asteroid hurtling towards us, with the potential to wipe out entire cities, is undeniably terrifying. Asteroids are rocky objects that orbit the sun, and they come in various sizes. The vast majority of asteroids are harmless and pose no threat to Earth. However, there are a few that have the potential to cause significant damage if they were to collide with our planet. The most famous example of an asteroid impact is the one that wiped out the dinosaurs around 65 million years ago. The impact of a 10-kilometer-wide asteroid in what is now Mexico created a global catastrophe, leading to mass extinctions and the end of the dinosaur era. Number 7. Dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter and dark energy make up the majority of the universe, yet we know very little about them. Scientists believe that dark matter exerts a gravitational force, holding galaxies together, while dark energy is responsible for the accelerated expansion of the universe. The fact that we can't directly observe or understand these mysterious forces is enough to send shivers down anyone's spine. The universe is composed of ordinary matter, the stuff we are familiar with, such as stars, planets, and galaxies. However, this ordinary matter makes up only a small fraction of the total mass and energy in the universe. The rest is made up of dark matter and dark energy, two enigmatic components that have eluded direct detection. Number 6. Cosmic rays. High-energy particles that move through space at nearly the speed of light are called cosmic rays. They can originate from supernovae or even distant galaxies. These particles are constantly bombarding our planet, and prolonged exposure to them can have detrimental effects on our health. It's a reminder that space is not as benign as it may seem. Cosmic rays are a mix of protons, electrons, and atomic nuclei that are accelerated to high energies. They can come from various sources, including supernova, black holes, and even active galactic nuclei. When cosmic rays interact with Earth's atmosphere, they produce a cascade of secondary particles, creating a shower of radiation. While cosmic rays are a natural part of our universe, they can pose risks to astronauts and even people on the ground. Number 5. The heat death of the universe. According to current scientific theories, the universe is slowly dying. Eventually, all the stars will burn out, leaving behind a cold, dark, and lifeless expanse. This concept, known as the heat death of the universe, is a chilling reminder of our cosmic insignificance and the impermanence of everything we know. The universe is constantly expanding, and as it does, the energy within it becomes more spread out. Over an unimaginably long timescale, stars will exhaust their fuel and galaxies will drift apart. Number 4. The Great Filter. The Great Filter is a hypothetical concept that suggests there may be a barrier preventing civilizations from advancing beyond a certain point. It could be a cosmic event, a technological limitation, or even self-destruction. The idea that we might be living in a universe where advanced civilizations are rare or non-existent is both humbling and unsettling. The Great Filter is a concept that attempts to explain the apparent absence of advanced extraterrestrial civilizations in the universe. Number 3. Space is completely silent. That's right, there's no sound in space. Sound waves need a medium to travel through, and there's no air in space. So if you were to be floating in space, you wouldn't be able to hear anything, even if a spaceship exploded right next to you. This means that if you were ever to be stranded in space, you would be completely alone. You wouldn't be able to hear anything, not even your own breathing. It'd be a really terrifying experience. Number 2. If you get lost in space, you're pretty much screwed. There's no peace in space, and there's no one to come looking for you if you get lost. So if you find yourself drifting off into the void, you're probably going to die. Even if you were able to find your way back to your spaceship, you would be in a very bad situation. You would have no food or water, and you would be exposed to the harsh environment of space. You would eventually die a slow and painful death. Number 1. The hypervelocity stars. Hypervelocity stars flown across galaxies due to black hole encounters. In close encounters with supermassive black holes at galaxy centers, binary star systems can break up. One star gets captured, while the other is ejected at astonishing speeds. These hypervelocity stars escape their galaxy's grasp, hurtling through space at millions of miles per hour. Their isolation and incredible speeds are unsettling reminders of the cosmic forces that shape our universe, highlighting the chaos and power hidden within galaxies. So those are 10 of the scariest space facts that will make you think twice about ever going into space. But even though space is a dangerous place, it's also a place of wonder and mystery. And who knows, maybe one day we'll find out that space isn't so scary after all. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you did. Thanks for watching.